Hello everyone, so this is part 9 of series 1 acid bases and salts. Yesterday we discussed about the introduction video and today we have come again with another video. So in this video we'll be discussing about indicator. First, if you see here, there's a small yellow color paper. On this, if you drop a solution, the part of the paper, the part where you drop it, it turns red. Why does it turn red? Because this is an indicator. An indicator, they can tell us whether the given solution is acidic or basic. So by now you would have understood that we use indicator because we want to know whether the given solution is acidic or basic. So that is why you drop this solution on this paper. So actually this is a blotting paper which you use in chemistry labs, on which turmeric is applied. This yellow color thing is turmeric and the paper is the blotting paper. Blotting paper, you can actually find that in your chemistry lab. So on that turmeric is applied. On that if you drop any solution, based on the color change you can tell whether it is an acid or a base. So if the solution is basic, then the turmeric paper turns red. Alkaline solutions turn turmeric into red color. Alkaline solutions are nothing but ones which have pH greater than 7 are called alkaline solution. So if the solution is basic means pH greater than 7, then the turmeric paper turns red. Here if you see in that example, the red color portion in the middle, the part where you drop the solution, that has turned red. That means the solution is basic. So as the basic nature increases, more the red color will increase. That means from light red to dark red. If the basic nature is very much high, then it is very dark red in color. So acids, no color change when tested with turmeric. Acids do not show any color change. As here the bases have shown red color, acids do not change the color when tested with turmeric. And always remember, this yellow thin paper is a blotting paper with turmeric applied on it. That is why I have sketched yellow, and on the middle I have sketched red, because this is a basic solution and you pour basic solution on this yellow turmeric paper. The part where you pour the solution, it turns red. It turns red because the solution is basic. If the solution is acidic, suppose this solution is acidic, even if you have poured this, the paper would still be in yellow color, because as acids no color change when tested with turmeric. So yellow remains yellow. So now as I was telling you, what is an alkaline solution? It is simply a basic solution which is highly soluble in water. Alkali means having pH greater than 7. So now coming to China rose, this is second type of indicator. Flowers which can detect acids and bases. China rose is a plant, and in that plant the flowers can detect the acids and bases. And if you put this China rose petals in hot water in a beaker and leave it for some time, let it rest for some time, later if you see the solution, this can be used as an indicator. And add few drops to acidic solution, the same indicator, the same drops from this beaker after leaving it for some time. If you add this solution to an acidic solution, add few drops to an acidic solution, you get magenta red. Magenta red is maroon red, like very dark red. And if you add few drops to basic solution, you get green or yellowish green. So results are so quick, but sometimes it is not convenient to add the indicator to this solution. So that is when we use litmus paper. If not China rose, if this is not convenient, you can also use litmus paper. So what is this litmus paper? Let us see. So litmus paper can be used. In biology, you must have heard about the lichens. Lichens are nothing but they are the symbiotic association between algae and fungi. Where there is pollution, lichens cannot grow, because lichens act as pollution indicators. Lichens only grow where there is a non-polluted area. If the area is very polluted, lichens cannot grow. So once again I am telling you that symbiotic relationship between algae and fungi are called lichens. So if you want to see how lichens look, they look somewhat like this. I have drawn a sketch, but I am not that much perfect in biology, but still, the substance extracted from lichens body called litmus is used as natural indicator. So the substance extracted from lichens body, in this lichens body we can extract a substance which is called litmus, and that litmus solution we can use as a natural indicator. So litmus is extracted from where? It is extracted from lichen's body and is a mixture of few dyes which are absorbed on a filter paper. You take that litmus, which is a mixture of few dyes from this lichen body, and you absorb it on a filter paper. So the filter paper which has now litmus on it, it can be used as an indicator for detecting acids and bases. So two colors of litmus papers are available. One is red litmus paper and another one is blue litmus paper. First, talking about red litmus paper, if you put red litmus paper in acid, there is no color change. But if you put red litmus paper in base, then the part where you have kept the litmus paper in the base, it turns blue in the presence of a base. And blue litmus paper, if you keep in acid, it turns red in the presence of an acid. And blue litmus paper, if you keep in base, it remains unchanged in a basic solution. So acid plus base is salt plus water, as you have studied in the part 8 of the series 1. So this is neutralization reaction. In part 10, we will be discussing about neutralization reaction completely. Thank you very much for your patient listening. Please subscribe to my channel and share if you find my videos helpful to those who are struggling with chemistry subject. Thank you very much.